Hello friends, welcome to RJ Tech Analysis channel for analysis of Indian stock market, indices and Indian equity. It should be safely assumed that I have my vested interest in the stocks and indices which I am discussing here and definitely hold positions in the market. I am not a certified analyst and the view expressed here are purely personal and for educational purposes only, and they are not any suggestions to take positions in the market. Please do consult your financial advisor for the same. Kindly do subscribe this channel for latest updates and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification. So here in front of you is Nifty weekly bar, and you can see the Nifty was making higher highs, and we reached somewhere over here in the month of August, 27th August, and we made a high of roughly 11,750, and thereafter we went down up to this position which has taken Nifty to 10,004 level. Now from this you can see this bar. What is happening? This was taken sharply. This was moving down, stuck 10,004. Next week what is happening? The bears were crushed by the bulls, and they drove the market to recover. See this particular weekly bar. This bar is high enough to take the momentum away from this particular bar. So we are here presently discussing a bar. Each bar signifies 1 week. Now see, thereafter the Nifty started its upward journey, went on, but it started facing the resistance at this level. This is the level which is approximately around 11,000. Now you can see for at least 4 to 5 months Nifty faced a complete struggle to cross this 11,000 zone. It used to move up, selling pressure used to come down, forces the Nifty to go down, and now see at this zone. Here the picture is changing completely. Here if you notice, what is the time and the date we are on this candle, you can see here this is the 4th March. The picture is to change completely. The Nifty takes a breakout. Can you see this big green candle, a weekly green candle, bigger candle? This candle is much bigger than any other candle in the last 2 to 3 months, which shows how much momentum this upward move was having. This drive the Nifty to another high. Good enough. Next week Nifty profit booking comes down. Now if you also notice here, I have drawn a channel line. This is the channel line, this upward channel line which Nifty was finding difficult to cross, and this was the bottom of that channel line. Nifty respected the bottom very beautifully over here. Now Nifty breakouts from 11,000 zone, move out also of this channel line. Now Nifty is going into this particular zone above this. Now can you see there is a small room on the top over here? This small room above the top is the level of 11,760 zone. Now see, this has to be taken off before having any further upward move. So for me presently Nifty is going to face a resistance at around 11,760, 11,800 zone. So this is the level of resistance for the Nifty for the next entire week and the weeks to follow. Now what is going to change on the backdoor and why I feel that that is going to be a resistance level? Let's see over here. If you see, this particular is a vortex. Now if you notice, whenever the vortex goes to a high of around 1.3 1.4, somehow this becomes jittery, the levels become jittery. 1.4 1.3. Now let's see over here. You can see the Nifty's level is approximately 1.2 presently. So 1.2 1.18 is the level where the Nifty is presently lying with on the vortex. Now given or taken, another 0.1 0.2 movement can always be there, and this probably will drive the market or the Nifty values to those 11,760 11,800 levels. Now at that point a profit booking is going to take place. Remember, with this thing we are also heading slowly and slowly towards the election time. Now market don't like any type of confusion, so presently I am feeling April week will be the week of consolidation. It's not going to go past 11,800. It is not going to go below 11,300 also. So this zone 11,800 to 11,300 should be observed closely. Another thing that you should notice over here, this is the Stochar RSI. It's also hanging now almost in the overbought region. This is the region where it is hanging around. So resistance is around the corner. If you also notice over here, the Bollinger Band is hitting the top Bollinger Band, and also it's finding it difficult. Anything that is on the top Bollinger Band would always have the resistance to face. And if you look at the MACD levels, so the MACD levels are also almost moving to the onto the higher side. See, in MACD, the thing that should be taken care of is how these two lines are separating away from each other. They are presently getting separated well away. See, whenever they are well away from each other, the market has to return back. The averages has to take care of each other. So that is the reason why I feel 11,800 will be the zone where the market will face the resistance, and then the Nifty is going to consolidate in the region of 11,800 to 11,300 zone. Let's see how does the market behaves in the coming series.